Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Golf Ball TV. I am headed to Vespra Hills Golf Club today. I'm gonna be playing 18 holes, and it's a new club and course, and I've never played there before, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. Hopefully, I break 100. But first, hit that like and subscribe button, and turn that notification on because I'm gonna be starting a new series. It's going to be amazing. I'll see you in the first tee. As you guys can see, I was having issues with the camera. I thought I pressed record, but I did not. Unfortunately, it sucks, but it is what it is. Let's just go to the next shot. Okay, second shot here. About 145. Just wind behind me and a little bit to the right. Oh, there's a huge tree down there. So I'm just aiming a little left edge of the green. See what happens here with my 8-iron. There's a lot of wind here today. Strong winds. So let's make a good shot here. It's a little left. Go in, take it. Take it. Ah, ended up in the bunker. Just trying to get this close up and down. See if I can make a par first here. So I haven't played this course before, like I said. So I'm just playing like a conservative, aggressive. It's just gonna go a little right. It's a good out. Go. It's good out. Just gotta give it a little left center. So on a putting practice green, greens are fast, so good par there. First hole par. I'm liking this course already. So nice to me. Stay. I'm gonna hit like around 160 yards here. It's a little bit, wind is a little left to right. See if what I can do with my 7-iron here. Ah. 165 yards with 5-iron. See if I can get it close. See if I can. It's a little right. Where do you go? I saw bounce, but like I said, I don't know this course, so we'll see. It's too soft. So the group ahead of me just hit, so I can take my time here reading the putt. And it's going left or right for sure. Just don't know how much. Oh, there's a huge uphill there. Oh, there's a huge break. I'll probably see like one club left of the pin. It's going up and down. See if I can make a putt here. Let's get it close and go for a bogey. This is my, well, it's actually just 4th shot. No, it's actually my, this is for par. This is for par. Let's get it close.
Good putt. I'll take that. I'll take that bogey. See, I'm hitting my 5 wood. See if I can fade it just into the middle of the fairway. So I'm gonna aim left edge of the fairway. See if I can hit it a little low here because the wind is a little strong. See what we can do here. Oh, stay. Should be fine. Yep, I'm right there. Good hit. Just faded a little too much than I wanted to, but yeah, I pulled it a little. Stay. Oh, I didn't see a bounce, so wish me luck. Yep, it's all hands there. All hands. Open my club a little bit, just be aggressive. I said be aggressive, man. God, it's 2 bad shots. Why am I rushing? Like, they just hit their shots. Okay, so I'm rushing a little bit. The group behind me just teed off. The group in front of me just hit too, so I don't know why I'm rushing. So take your time, man. Just outside a hole here, just outside. See if I can say bogey here. It's a bit downhill. Oh wow. That's a double there. Okay. Par 3 here. It's not par 3, 180 yards. Wind is a little bit left to right, which suits my ball flight, which is fade. Oh, it's actually into the wind. How? No, left to right, sorry. Left to right. So I'm just gonna aim just left edge of the green and let the wind take my ball to the pin. Here we go. Turn. That's a good shot. That's a golf swing right there. Oh, short. Short. My 5-iron is short. Wow. Wow. So I'm like 5 to 8 yards short. I didn't expect that. Like I said, I was confused at the tee box where the wind was blowing. I feel like it's left to right, but I feel like it's circling around. But anyways, let's focus on this shot here. Get it close. Have my 56 here. I want to get past the hole. Just be aggressive. It's a good shot. Nice shot there. Come on. I'm just gonna aim just a little left center of cup. There you go. It broke to the right a little bit, but just see the flag, guys. Now it's going that way. On my tee shot, it was going that way. So that's a group ahead of me. They're still looking for their balls. So obviously, you don't want to miss right here. I don't know what's on the left side. Looks like there's a lot of space there. Okay, we're ready to go. But first, don't forget, Safety first. Safety first, folks. Here we go. Wind is behind me. I'm actually just changed my aim. I'm gonna aim that right in second bunker to the left there, and see if I can fade it into the fairway, center fairway. Oh wow, I pulled it. Go win, take it. I actually have a shot here. I can take this down. But I'm just gonna take my medicine, guys. I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm just gonna lay it. I got my pitching wedge in hand. I can go for this green, but I'm just gonna lay up. Yeah. Ah, I chunked it. Go, go. God dang it. Like, you take your medicine and you get punished too, so that's golf. Okay, I'm just gonna aim right of it. Just maybe a club to the right, and it should go down and turn left. So I'm gonna hit a bump and run here. Just remember, guys, you go low, you get the hose. When you go high, you're gonna cry. So we'll go low here. We'll bump and run. Oh wow. Wow. That's too much. It's actually the opposite, man. You're gonna cry if you go low. I feel like what I'm seeing is going left to right from the beginning. And see what happens. Actually, I'm gonna go just a cup and a half left. Greens are going really fast today. So let's hit a good putt here. Oh, what a save bogey. You're welcome. Okay, hole number 6 here, par 5. Just need to hit about, it's going to the left a little bit, so it's into the wind as well. So I'm gonna hit my 5 wood to see if I can hit it a little low and just let it roll. I pulled it again. Kick right. Kick right. Oh, we'll be good. It's just a second cut. So let's see. Just gonna aim just right off the pin here. See if I can hit it like around 190, maybe 180 is good. I hit a bad tee shot there, so flyer is pretty good. So if I hit a flyer here, it would be okay. But here we go. I'm gonna close the club face a little bit. Oh, that's actually good. It's going left. That's actually good. It's a little short of green. But it was a good shot nonetheless. So I got about 45 yards here. See if I can hit a soft 60. To the left. It's a little too strong. One grip to the right. Okay, it's one grip to the right. Hopefully if I read it wrong, might be half a club. Yeah, standing here, I'm gonna adjust it. So half a club to the right. Just right where the camera is. So like I said, I'm not familiar with the screens here. Just gonna play it. Oh wow. Oh, too much. Half a club, half a grip was okay. But It is what it is. Okay, so this is par 5. Last hole was actually par 4. So I bogeyed that hole. I'm going to aim just right at that bunker. So I'm pulling it. So 348 yards into the wind. 240 to that center of the fairway. Just putting my ball just back in my stance because I'm pulling it. Let's just feel a good shot in the body here. Let's go. There you go. That's a great shot. Just right center of the fairway. God, it's too chunky. Okay, so hit it really short. Actually, if I aim a little at the pin, I would have been close, but it is what it is. So it's going left to right. So I'm gonna aim a little, maybe a club left of that pin, and lie is okay. It's not that tight, so I think I can go a little higher here. But there's a slope. See if I can hit just a little flop here. It's too soft. It's too soft. It's a huge break here. Huge break. Let's go. It's for par. Wow. Now I got a lot of work for my bogey. Wow. Good save. Wow. I overestimated that break. I'm overestimating everything except the wind. Oh well, move on to the next hole. Another bogey. Swing and pray. Just aiming just a little left of that pin. Let's go. Feel a good shot. Feel it in your body. Ah, it's a little too much. I'm just gonna aim right at it and pray, see what happens. I don't know what it's gonna do, it's gonna do something. It's going downhill. Let's get it close. It broke right. It's good weight. Good weight. I'll take that. Come on, let's make this par here. Take the pin out. Take your time, they're still on the tee box. Par. Okay, hole number 9, par 5. We're 6 over. And there's trees both left and right. So, but right is not a good friend because it's out of bounds. It's out of bounds. So I'm just gonna aim right at that tree. The first tree, the left edge of the fairway, just past the bunker. See if I can fade it into the fairway. That's a great shot. It's fading. It's a little short, but I'm okay with that. Wow. Wow. God, chunked it again. Go. Wow. I feel like I need to use my 56 here, but see if I can just Just put this ball behind my feet. I mean, back of my stance. Just let it roll. Sit. Oh, fuck. It's a little strong. God, it's too soft. It's not a gimme. Another bogey. 7 over. Front 9.
So as you can see here, guys, it's in slow motion. Unfortunately, I pressed a button in my camera that makes it record in slow motion. It sucks, but it is what it is. So 7 over to start the back 9. This is Homestead course in Vespra Hills Golf Club. They said it's a easier course than the Valley, and as you can see there, I hit a great tee shot there. But the wind in this place is swirling. It's very unpredictable. So let's go to the next shot. And by the way, guys, I edited the next clips just to make it look like a normal speed. Second shot here, ball above feet, choke down 7-iron. If you guys haven't noticed already, I've been hitting way more clubs than I normally do. Because in the front 9, I was like hitting a lot of heavy shots and leaving them short. And the wind is unpredictable and it's really cold as well. So I was just guessing the right club every time. So hit a good shot there, just pulled a little bit, but I had an opportunity to make a stress-free par here. Second hole in the back 9, this hole requires accuracy just because there's a lot of downhill slope around the green and there's trees both left and right. So trying to hit a knockdown 7 here just to control the trajectory on the ball flight because the wind is left to right here and my ball flight is like a fade. So I was telling myself no bunker here, no bunker, but that's where I ended up. So 8 over after 11 holes. It's an unfortunate bogey there in the last hole. But yeah, hitting 5 wood here. Wind is a little left to right, a little bit into. And that was a good shot, but the wind was like taking it to the right. But I thought it was still a good shot, and I ended up on the hill. Choking down on my 7-iron again, 136 yard, ball above feet. This one is drawing a little bit into the bunker. So I'm in a bunker here. I'm really not in a good spot here because I was just a few inches away from the lip, so I could not attack the flag here. So I had to aim way right of the flag. Good thing I hit a good shot there, and it checked. That was a good effort. Trying to save bogey here. So it was kind of like a scary tee shot here because the wind was like blowing really strong here. And I was worried that my hit would slice into the woods. And it almost did. It just faded. It's my natural motion, but the wind was really taking it to the right. Fortunately, we're safe here. However, there's a tall tree in front of me. As you guys could see, I pointed at it. So I couldn't really hit a high shot here. So I took my 5 iron and just try to kind of like hit a low punch here just to get the ball onto the fairway. Back in play. Here we go. So 5 wood here, third shot. I choked down on my 5 wood here because this is kind of like a 2 clubs up for me for that distance to 1 yards. The wind is blowing right to left here. However, I didn't want to aim at that tree because if I that's out of bounds. So if I push it, that's going to be a 2 strokes penalty. So I hit it that great there, but the wind is taking it way left. So in this putt here, you'll notice that it took me a lot of time before I started my backswing because I actually said it here, guys. I was getting dizzy. I said, "Oh, I'm getting dizzy," and I did, and I hit this putt short. As you guys can see my reaction, for some reason I got dizzier, and after the next hole. But after the next hole was fine. I was fine. Just hoping I could save bogey here. So still feeling dizzy here on this shot. Yeah, hit a couple of great shots, but still I was still feeling dizzy, and I was rushing my shots here just so I can be done with this hole and get a little bit of rest on the next tee box while I wait on the group ahead of me. So I was gonna try to avoid 3 putt here, but unfortunately I 3 putted. So second shot here with an 8 iron. I choked down a little bit on it and hit another great shot there. So I was striking way better in this back nine than in the front nine. So great opportunity for birdie here. Also, I was putting really well in this round compared to my previous vlog where I could not make a putt. Great effort there, but still, it was not an easy par here. Still breaking left to right a little bit, and with the wind, it's still the putting can be unpredictable too. But fortunately, we made a putt. So this hole here, I could not figure out the direction of the wind. Just like I said, it's swirling. And when that happens, I normally go to my go-to clubs, which is a 7 or 8 iron. But this one I chose 7, which is a little too much. So another great stroke here, just a little bit of a misread. So yeah, as I walked towards my ball, I was talking. I was mic'd up here, and I was saying like, "Hey, this is a gimme, right?" And I looked at the camera and said, "This is a gimme, right? You're welcome." Another good par there. So 17 hole, par 4, 3 wood in hand. So after that par 5, on the fairway when I choked down on my 3 wood. I started choking down on my clubs just about half an inch down, just because I felt like I was able to control the club a little bit more, and I was hitting like just baby fades, not power fades, baby fades. It's another great shot there, heading into the fairway, just left side, left center of the fairway. Great tee shot there. Um, Ended up on the left side of the fairway. So hitting 2 more clubs with my 6 iron, and I actually hit this a little heavy, which is actually a good break because I would end up in the bunker if I did not catch that heavy. Trying to get an up and down here with my 50-degree wedge. A little bit of bump and run here. See what we can do. Yeah, I put enough spin on that. Just a little short, but it was a great chip. So that's another great part there. And I was saying here, I was mic'd up here, I was talking about the tournament that I was going to play in June. And I was saying that if I putt like the way I'm putting today, I would really have a great chance. Especially if I'm striking the way I'm striking in the back nine, I would really have a great chance to win that tournament. So second shot here, I think it was a 9 iron here. Hit that a little heavy. It was short, and for some reason it feels so soft on this grass here. As you can see, I was looking at the divot. It's so deep. It felt really soft. So with my 50-degree wedge here, I was just trying to bump and run here. Like I said, if you go high, you're gonna cry. If you go low, you get the hose. So we'll see what happens here. So the ball is way back behind my stance, and there you go. I kind of like hit it a little too strong there, but it was fine, and I actually pulled it a little bit. Here I was really taking my time because I had another great opportunity to finish around with a par. But I was a little bit confused on this putt here because I felt like it was going left to right and then back left again. So I was really confused on this putt, but we'll see what happens. And it did not break at all. So I was saying I knew it was gonna go straight, but really, in reality, I was confused. So, so bogey to finish there, not what I wanted, but it's still a good round. Round of 84. I'll take that any time. I think golf wants me back.
There you go, guys. First 18-hole vlog of the channel. 83. I could have done better. Had a couple of silly bogeys, and I'm leaving a lot of my shots short. So maybe it's the temperature. I don't know. It's really cold here, and the wind is very unpredictable. So I'm planning on coming back here again, maybe later in the summer. See if I can break 80 on this course. But it's a nice track. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe, and turn that notification on. See you in the next video.